the bathroom, and I am in the kitchen, and I'm finna get ready to do a prank on her. So this morning, when I woke up, my throat was bothering me, and when I started coughing, a little bit of blood came up. I think I just got like real bad strep or something, and like she was real worried, and she wanted me to go to the hospital, but I told her no because I had to go to work. So I went to Walmart, and I got some fake blood. So what I'm finna do is scare her. I'm gonna start coughing out of nowhere, real bad, and I'm gonna already have the blood on my shirt. It's a work shirt, so it's fine. The air just went off, so she might be able to hear me. But I got on my work shirt, so it doesn't matter if I get this dirty. It's fine. But I'm just gonna pour the blood on me and have it like it's coming out my mouth, and I'm just gonna start coughing. I hope y'all can hear me because I'm whispering like hell. But yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and start getting the blood right in the gift, and just let y'all see. I'ma hide the camera somewhere, and let's just see. Let's hope to see my face out and my little bit of what you see. I got it on my little all over my shirt. So I'm finna hide the blood. I'm finna hide it somewhere. And I'm finna set the camera up and try to get this started. Let's go. She was gonna leave the water running. Babe. She was gonna leave the water. She was gonna leave the water running. Oh. Babe, did I get you? Tell the people if I got you. Babe, did I get you? Babe. It would have lasted longer. I really wasn't expecting you to drag me out the house. Did I get you? Tell them if I got you. I think it's safe to say that I got her. I made it very realistic.
Don't do that.
So, I gotta say, icy for the win. I think I took this one home. She left the water on. She was finna make me leave and put on my work shoes. I even put it on the blood.
Okay, my stomach hurt too.
I had blood everywhere. I think it's safe that I can say icy for the win. Icy for the win? Icy for the win? Tell the people. Say icy for the win. I got it all over my face.
Girl, don't do that stupid shit no more.
Icy for the win?
Nope.
So I didn't win.
No.
So that won the W. Well, y'all, it would have lasted longer, but I wasn't expecting her to drag me out the house. So,
girl, you done messed up my damn dish rag.
I guess that is all. And I will see you in the next one.